Data, deals, and deadlines, managing the Q4 chaos with smarter operations. Q4 stacks big revenue opportunities with bigger risks. Sales targets, rapid-fire campaigns, and sky-high customer expectations collide. Winning isn't about working harder, it's about streamlined ops, real-time data, and elastic capacity, often via outsourcing. The triple threat of Q4: data, deals, and deadlines. Data avalanche, traffic spikes, microsignals, complex attribution, mobile-heavy journeys, and bot noise create decision overload. Deals, promos drive volume but risk margin erosion. Success depends on dynamic pricing, inventory alignment, and fast creative pivots. Deadlines, shipping cutoffs, support surges, and creative crunches magnify small delays into missed revenue and brand friction. Why in-house teams struggle? Capacity limits and hiring lag during short, intense peaks. Fixed overhead versus variable seasonal demand. Silos blocking fast, cross-team decisioning, burnout degrading quality and speed. Slow iteration in a real-time market. The outsourcing advantage in Q4. Analytics, turn noise into action, live dashboards, anomaly alerts, rapid A/B reads. Customer service, 24/7 multilingual elasticity to handle spikes and protect CSAT. Creative, high-volume, on-brand asset production and rapid variant testing. Integrated loop, analytics, creative, support share signals to pivot within hours, not days. Roadmap, prepare before Q4. Audit last Q4 for bottlenecks. Set objectives, KPIs, speed, CSAT, ROAS. Choose partners with industry fit and scalability. Onboard early with guides, access, workflows. Agree KPIs and comms, dashboards, cadences, escalation. Pilot, optimize, scale. Contingencies for traffic, supply, or system shocks. Plan post-holiday analysis and retention. Execution and monitoring during Q4. Real-time tracking of conversions, inventory, sentiment, act immediately. Tight comms between internal and outsourced teams. Agile creative and budget shifts based on live performance. Synchronized support with current promos and policies. QA gates to prevent brand or data errors. Mini postmortems after each push. Post-holiday ROI and optimization. Full review, winners, segments, channels, ops efficiency. Measure outsourcing ROI, speed, quality, elasticity. Retain customers, targeted win-backs, and loyalty plays. Reuse top creatives, refresh for Q1. Turn feedback into fixes, strengthen data plumbing. Build an action plan for continuous improvement. Risks, pitfalls, and best practices. Common risks, last-minute outsourcing, unclear expectations, over-reliance, data security gaps, inflexible contracts. Best practices, start early, define KPIs, ensure cultural fit, use shared tools, tier comms, centralize knowledge, review performance often, keep a backup plan. Turn Q4 chaos into confidence with KDCI outsourcing. Scale analytics, support e-commerce ops, and creative on demand. Protect margins, speed up decisions, and keep teams focused on strategy, not fire drills. Partner with KDCI to turn Q4 pressure into year-round performance.